I'm Dr. Jaime Garcia. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and I do arthroscopy and joint replacement. Before I studied medicine, during my pre-med, they took us to ER in a hospital and I saw a patient with a femur fracture and they put a nail through the bone to do a traction to the bone. That's when I knew I wanted to do that. Some of my patients are from sports medicine. They come to us to solve their problem of the knee or shoulder because they want to go back to sports as soon as possible. To maximize our success on our patients, it's really, really important to communicate any doubts they have about surgery or about post-operation or post-surgery instructions, just to make sure that you are doing the right thing. And when you decide to do it, MedRepublic will help to do it as soon as possible and with the decision that you already make.